Hey, welcome back to another episode, another video of Open It Up with me review. Yes, with your main host, K. And this time we will be talking about something special. Alexa second generation, the Bluetooth speaker. It is very interesting how technology has advanced so much because this little speaker is tiny, but at the same time it has so much functionalities that you guys will not believe. Okay, it's a product made by Amazon and especially for Amazon subscriber. Alexa second generation is a voice command type of a speaker, Bluetooth, that will work based on whatever you tell them. Tell them anything and they will plug it. You will definitely need a subscription with Amazon in order for you to use it. If not, they will not allow you. And another thing is Bluetooth, but you need to have it connected to the power line, otherwise it won't work. So stick with us and you will have more information. Remember, this is an Open It Up and we will open it right now. Alexa Echo Dot could be retail in any place where they sell electronic, Best Buy, Amazon, eBay, or Amazon. That's your best bet. The price range will be somewhere around $30 to $200 depending which one you want. But this one in particular, the second generation, costs approximately $30.
Alexa, alarm off. Alexa, what's on the calendar today?
You have 12 events scheduled.
Alexa, call me an Uber.
Your Uber will arrive in 2 minutes.
Alexa, what's the weather like today?
There's a 100% chance of showers.
Alexa, pair my Bluetooth speaker.
Okay, paired.
Alexa, it's time to reorder some paper towels.
Okay, order placed.
And Alexa, play my garage music.
Playing your garage playlist from Prime Music.
Alexa, play some jazz.
Playing smooth jazz from Prime Music.
Alexa, who's this?
This is Picnic Basket by Lolatone.
Alexa, turn that up.
Alexa, ask Domino's to send me my last order.
Okay, order placed.
Hey, isn't that Jason Schwartzman?
No, that's not him. I would know if that was him.
I'm pretty sure it's him.
Okay, Alexa, who stars in Mozart in the Jungle?
Stars include Malcolm McDowell, Jason Schwartzman.
Ha! See? I was right.
Alexa, change the bedroom temperature to 65 degrees.
Okay,
Alexa, lights off.
okay.
Alexa, good night.
Good night. Sleep tight.